Yeah, they really tried to knock me down, but they didn't knock me down. I've been through some ups and downs, but I still keep my smile. I'ma make my mama proud. I'm a king, I'ma rock my crown. They really tried to knock me down.
Peace, life, and love. We're here on Peace TV, here in the northern region of Ghana. We've been traveling with Repair Nations in the BB Kwantu. Also, I'm acknowledging from the hood to the woods. We've been tapping into a lot of natural environments out here, and we left the hood and, the Bay Area, and now we out here in Africa. So I'm with my good brother. I'm gonna let him introduce himself to the platform.
Yes. Hello, family. My name is Louis Keyamo Johnson. For those who are here as family, you can call me Keyamo. I'm also the founder and executive director of Unite, which stands for Unique Natives Interacting Together Elevated, as we are doing here right now, as you see, united here out here in Africa. I'm also an astrophysicist and scientist, and all I gotta say is, man, do y'all see all of this stuff on the ground? We in the land of riches. I just picked up a quartz crystal off the ground. It's nothing but wealth in this thing. Everywhere. Abundance, brother. But yeah, thank you for having me here, brother. I really appreciate it on Peace TV.
Yes, on Peace TV, I had to get some of these vibes with my good brother because we've been cultivating a lot of peace out here and learning on our journey. But I want to get your perspective of how you've been cultivating peace. What are some peaceful frequencies and things you've been experiencing out here on your travels with Repair Nations?
Man, I would just say the fact that I'm here in a black community, like I will always envision, you know what I'm saying, especially being in Vallejo, being in a space where it's predominantly owned by or predominantly black people, but not black people running it. What would a black city or a country look like? And this, I would say, it would look like this. You know what I'm saying? But also, just like some of the most peaceful thing that I've been able to see, or just in general that I like in general, is just the youth. The youthful energy out here is very abundant, even amongst the elders. You know what I'm saying? The elders get down and play with the youth. The youth, I feel like, are the leaders here. As you can see right there in the background and watching us right now, they're getting ready to get off of school. That's been a very beautiful sight here. They've been teaching us a lot. They've been educating a lot. And also, I feel like we've been having a reciprocal relationship. What else? Like I said, the land here, man, the land is high vibrational. If there's anybody that's back at home and they're like, they have aches in their bones and stuff like that, and they're going to these high Reiki expertise, or they're going to these hospitals where they're doing electromagnetically charged treatments. Out here, just being on the land itself, you know what I'm saying, is very peaceful. Last night I got an opportunity to stay out in the village, you know what I'm saying, and at first I was kind of worried, you know what I'm saying, it's very dark. It was very scary, you know what I'm saying, or scary, as they say, but the people there was very confident, very comfortable. They showed us where to go, and even laying my head down in a space where there's no TV, no electricity, it was the most peaceful and restful sleep I had here. And mind you, we stayed in 3 stars and above hotels here while we've been here. And the most peaceful sleep I got on here is literally in a space in the village, in the bush. So I would just say, this whole experience has been very peaceful, has been very elevating. It's just been, it's been great, brother.
That's beautiful. Yes, I can definitely agree to that. It's been very peaceful. Many different layers of peace we've been tapping into. And it's been real. It's been raw out here. Also learning some of the history out here. So it has been a lot of pain, a lot of trauma that has happened on these lands. But it's so much beauty, so much divinity. It's yin and yang. It's balance.
Period.
And it's up to you to choose what you want to tune into, what vibration and frequency you want to tune into, because all the energies are out here. You feel me? But we're choosing peace. We're choosing elevation. We're choosing community and unifying with our people. So we've been able to go through different regions and to have these different cultural experiences. Like you said, we just came from a village, and it's raw in a village. You feel me? They live in natural. Not like in America. We got a lot of, unnatural things. You know what I'm saying? And we consume a lot out there in America, but out here, man, you get the opportunity to really just appreciate life, appreciate the beauty, and appreciate the people, because the people still have their authentic spirits. You know what I'm saying? And the vibrations are very high. Like, I'll be seeing the youth, they be very joyful, and they don't have the video games and the gadgets like we have in America. When I was a kid, my mom and family members was getting me the Nintendos, the PlayStations, the Xboxes, right? But out here, the kids, they're growing up in development in a sense of just tapping in with the land, learning how to build. You know what I'm saying? They got their bikes, you know what I'm saying?
Got a bike and a machete right there.
You know what I'm saying? And a lot of them got a lot of natural skills that a lot of us are lacking in America. So we just want to highlight that and encourage more brothers and sisters to travel, step outside your environment. You can learn so much by stepping outside of your environment and being open to receive and learn different lifestyles and philosophies from different beings. Because there are many different philosophies in many different regions of the world. you know. So it's powerful, man. And we want to give thanks to Repair Nations for building on the collective economics, the collective global unity, and with the intentions to repair our nations and to invest in our people outside of our environments and bring back that global exchange. Because we connected globally within our DNA. If you check out your DNA, man, you got some parts coming from many parts of Africa, many parts of Europe, you know what I'm saying, the native indigenous lands of America. So coming to that higher sense of awareness, you have a higher sense of awareness that you're connected to everything. And that brings me to the philosophy that Bob Marley been pushing, one love. You feel me? And the new era, Brotha Peace is pushing much love. You feel me? And that's that mycelium network that connects all of us together, and the trees and the roots and the plants and the fungi kingdom. So we want to get back to a higher vibration, you know what I'm saying, as a people, because we're powerful. We're connected to the whole universe. This is the earth, a part of the solar system, you know what I'm saying, in the universe. So we want to raise that vibration on many different levels, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Spin that knowledge right there. Y'all better listen.
Indeed.
I just wanted, if you don't mind, like, this is my first time with a trip on Repair Nations. And I would highly recommend anybody who out there, we want reparations. If you want reparations, you ain't here with Repair Nations, you ain't actually touching the ground, and I don't know what you're really asking for. So I said, there's an opportunity right now. Repair Nations, they about to go to Tanzania. They're also about to be doing other trips as well. So I say I would highly recommend being able to do a trip with Repair Nations that's also partnered up with BB Kwantu. Come out here on the land and see what is actually happening on the land. You know what I'm saying? A lot of us have a mindset of being very extractive of the resources here. Like I said, I would love to just, you know what I'm saying, I would love to just pick this stuff up and take it and put it in my pocket, but like that's not really righteous, you know what I'm saying? We actually got to build with the people, connect with the people, and actually learn the history and the stories of why they ain't picking these things up, you know what I'm saying? There's actually value and power of them having it where it is. So I say, if you guys really want to know how we can be able to elevate as a people and be able to get back our nations, you know what I'm saying, we actually got to build with our people, period. So like I said, let's stop being afraid. Like I said, if you from the hood and you already survived that, look, you can go anywhere in the world. You can go anywhere. Like I said, if you would if you was eating just cereal with water and shit like that, well, you can get much more better shit out here. We get watermelon, we got cocoa. What is it? What else we got? Plantains out here. We get peanuts and shit like that. Like it's not like it's. Like just as if you were younger and you would go around in the hood and there'll be plum trees and shit like that, it's like abundance of everything out here. Like, could y'all believe we was just chilling with crocodiles? Y'all hear what I'm saying? We ain't on no motherfucking, what's that dude, crocodile hunter? We really out here chilling with the crocodile, which they said they was their ancestors. Everything right here, like you said, one love is unity and peace, love, and light. You can see what the world would look like if everything was living in harmony out here. So come outside, family. Let's see what's good. You know what I'm saying? Come build. You already see the drip. You know what I'm saying? We already rocking the drip. Got the most. You know what I'm saying? We got the most drip out here. And nigga, we spending less money than you would spend in motherfucking Gucci Louis. What y'all doing? They killing our people out here. That's all I gotta say, family. I can say a whole lot more, but y'all, I ain't gonna talk it. Y'all gotta come walk with us and come really hear the real shit. Yeah, come tap in.
And like you said, come travel with us. Follow Repair Nations. Repair Nations. Hit the link in the bio to sign that Google form to join us on our excursions and our travels around the diaspora, because we're doing this yearly, and we're going to keep building and expanding around the diaspora and building our global relationships, and this is very powerful, and it's very needed, and it's a powerful time that we're in, and that's why we manifested and reincarnated back in this life to bring a higher vibration to unite our people, because these colonial forces have separated our people in many different ways and miseducated our people, and we got to raise the vibration, y'all, so we're going to keep doing the work.
High, family, vibrate high.
We're going to vibrate high.
Yes, sir.
Let the people know how they can keep up with you, brother.
Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram at 7 Keyamo. That's 7 Keyamo. You know what I'm saying? We also got a website. If y'all go to Linktree /Unite Inc. You know what I'm saying? I also teach a Saturday school. Saturday school every Saturday. I'm educating the youth on energy, frequency, and vibration. I also teach about self-sustainability. So if there's anybody that's worried about, oh, I don't know how to survive if I go to Africa, I don't know how to do these things, don't worry about it. Every Saturday we'll be teaching classes to prepare you to be able to come up here to Africa. Like I said, that's what I did for a whole year before I came out here. Like right now I see a spark plug on the ground, and I see this electricity. I'm about to pick that up when I get over, because what I'm about to do is create electricity just from raw materials. So I said, come to our classes. We're going to teach you how to vibrate high, teach you about energy, frequency, vibration. And like I said, my name is Louis Johnson. I represent Unite. And what I want to promote is energy, frequency, vibration, and unity across the nation. And again, as Brotha Peace reminded me as well, we have one nation as well, and that's the imagination. So let's continue to create that as well, family.
I say, and there you have it. And that was a great build with my brother, just to share some vibes with y'all here live on the continent, you know what I'm saying? And stay tuned for more of these episodes here on Peace TV. And tap in with Repair Nations, like we said. And let's get back to repairing our nations as a people. One love, peace, much love.
Royalty. We royalty. We royalty. We royalty.
Lodge laced it up.
Royalty, the ancestors spoil me. Manifesting prosperity every day of the week. Abundance always around we. I do this with my people, tapping in collectively. Ayy, got connections overseas. Locked in with some kings and queens. Ayy, from Haiti, Africa to Jamaica. We coming with these high vibrations. Got the vibes that can heal the nations. So divine when we tap into our